Language learner. Language learner. Yes. You call me LL. Which which part are you in India? Haryana. What do you do? Are you a student or are you working? Could you repeat once again? Wow. Then how long have you been working in there? Hmm. How long have you been working in there? Okay. In December, you have completed 2 years, right? Okay. Do you wanna enhance your English speaking or do you wanna just interact with language learner? Mhm. Okay. Okay, I got your point. You want to enhance your English speaking, simultaneously you build your confidence, right? Oh, I told you I have written my name is language learner, then definitely, obviously, I want to enhance my English speaking, right? Okay, what's your qualification? Which department have you completed your graduation? Commerce. Commerce. Okay. Then are you born and raised in Haryana or are you from different state within India? No, no, no. I am born here and I grew here. I completed my education from Haryana. Okay, you born and raised in Haryana and right now you are working also in Haryana. You have completed your graduation in Haryana as well, right? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, how long have you been using this platform? So, how did you know about this platform? My friend. Okay, then how much time do you invest through platform per day? Occasionally, like once a day. Okay, how many languages do you know? Only Hindi and English. Okay, you know Hindi and English, right? Yes, yes, ma'am. Hindi is your native language and English is your second language. Second language. Yes, ma'am. Right, right. Then do you talk with anyone at office in English? No, ma'am. Okay. Then how do you practice with your language? That's why I am second. Okay, apart from this platform, yes, platform, how do you practice with your language? No. Watching just web series in English. That's all that I do to Okay. improve my English. Okay, what type of activity do you take to enhance your English speaking? Uh, I don't do any activity as I told you. I just communicate with people through this app and watch English movies. Okay. That's all I do. Okay, you only watch English movie on YouTube and you learn through movies, right? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, do you know language text for skill? Do you know? No, ma'am. Huh? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Do you know? Yes or no? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Okay, language has four skill LSRW reading, writing, listening, and speaking. If you Yes, do regularly, daily, per day, each skills means you have to invest your time 20 minutes in writing, 20 minutes in reading, 20 minutes in listening, 20 minutes in speaking.
then within short period you can speak good English. Do you know about it?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, but if you don't do regularly, then it will take time to speak better English because LS, RW interconnection each other because you are well educated person, you have a double degree on your hands. Then if you don't
Okay.
do regularly, then you can speak better English, but it will take time, right?
Okay.
Then
Okay.
you have to do it because I'm not telling you take one book and you read continuously two
Okay.
three pages. But what you like, you do. What you like, you do. In this digital era, in this AI era, no need to physical books or any kind of. You go through online and you get so many things, right? So many
Okay.
activities.
Okay.
Yeah, then you can do it, but
Okay.
otherwise it is a learnable skill. Anyone can learn, anyone can speak because we are Indian, we don't have language partner, we don't get atmosphere. Then where
Okay.
you listen and with whom you speak, right?
Ma'am, just a minute.
Okay,
Uh, I just want to ask you something about yourself.
okay, tell me.
Are you a teacher or are you running an institution? Please tell me about your history. What is
What do you think about me? I am not doing anything, I am not running any institute. I'm just
okay?
a
So
language learner. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm using this platform. I J Indian, we don't have language partner and we don't get
okay.
atmosphere. I'm also like you, right? Then in
Okay.
this,
So,
hmm,
but are you a working profession or you please
nothing.
tell me about yourself?
I told you I'm bekar home, bekar. This day I'm learning language.
Where you from?
I'm from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. Have you been Odisha before?
Uh, I never visited there, but I know about Odisha.
Okay, you haven't been Odisha, right?
No, I never visited there.
Yeah, I got your point. You never ever visit in Odisha, but if you get time, then definitely you come to Odisha and you visit you. You visit here
Yes, ma'am.
because Odisha is a
Okay.
beautiful place.
Are you married or single?
What do you think?